Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be learning how to deploy a forum, a very cheap way to do it, and I think that's about all. So let's go ahead and hop right in. Alright, so today's provider we're going to be using is called WKSRV. They are a hosting provider, I'd say. I think I talked about them a bit in my last video, but basically they just provide shared hosting and reseller hosting plans. Their plans are very affordable, as you can see. The cheapest one being like $1.25 a year. And yeah, so today's video is going to be based off of the $249 plan. There is a promo code at the moment that will get you the first month free, so you can test out the platform and whatnot. And yeah, that's about it. And I chose WKSRV because they include free DDoS protection and backups with all of their plans, unlike some of the other bigger competitors such as Namecheap, which I ran into a problem hosting my personal blog without backups on Namecheap shared hosting, and yeah, that was not fun. Yeah, so WKSRV uses Jet Backup for backups, which allows you to easily move platforms if you decide to leave or migrate to. But yeah, it's a good platform overall. Their support team is fantastic. They do have a Discord for support, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, they do have a Discord for support, and yeah, I believe they also offer refunds just in case you don't like the product. But yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to want to choose our plan now. We're going to go to View Plans. And if you're going to take advantage of the promotion code, you're going to want to choose the starter plan because I think that's the only plan it works with. So we're going to go ahead and choose starter. And don't get me wrong, starter is going to be perfectly fine if you're a new forum starting out and you have no user base at the moment. Okay, now you're going to want to choose your domain. I'm just going to put nerd of code 1. Alright, and then once you get to enter promo code if you have one, the promo code is going to be 2020. Validate code, and as you can see, the total due today is $0, and then next month it will be $249. Alright, you're going to want to click checkout. And then here you can either make an account with them or you could just sign up with Google. I'd probably recommend creating an account with them just because I think it's easier on them, but it's up to you. Yep, so you're just gonna fill this out with all your information, blah 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 blah, and then you can either pay with PayPal or Stripe. And yeah, that's about all. And I'll see you once I create my account. Alright, once you sign up and make an account and pay, you're gonna see a window that looks like this. And what you're gonna want to do is click your hosting package here. Alright, and then you're going to see some stats over here. I've been using WKSRV for a while now, and yeah, so that's why I decided to make the review. Anyways, as you can see, the starter plan does come with unlimited everything. Oh, I do have the Powerhouse plan, by the way. I did upgrade last month because my site is high traffic, so I needed that extra boost. The starter plan just didn't offer, so that's why I am on the Powerhouse plan, not the starter plan. Anyways, you're going to want to click this little actions drop down here, and then log into cPanel. And as you can see, I'm logged into cPanel here. And the next thing we're going to want to do is go to domains. This is going to be if you're going to have a subdomain. So basically, wherever you're going to be hosting your forum, if you want to add a new domain, go to domains, and if you want to add a subdomain, which I'm going to be doing, you go to subdomains. And as you can see, mine's already created, forum.nerdofcode.com. I'm going to go ahead and remove that and to add it again just to show you that everything works as it should. So forum, domain, yeah, that looks good. Create. Alright, that should be creating now. And then the next thing we're going to be doing is accessing Softaculous. And we're going to want to choose the forum we're going to want to use. So personally, I'm going to use PHPBB just because that's what I'm familiar with. Next, you're going to click Install Now. And then you're going to want to choose your domain here. And like I said earlier, if you're using a real domain, just choose the real domain there. If you're using the subdomain, just choose the subdomain. And then you're going to want to choose the directory. For me, I'm going to put forum. And this SSL certificate we'll handle later. WKSRV has support for free certificates, which I will show you how to do. And then scrolling down, you're going to see like general information you could set under forum. Yeah, basically your credentials for the forum. I'm just going to make mine admin. I will be deleting this forum before I post the video, so I wouldn't recommend trying to access it. Alright, and I might, I was going to say I might have already set up a forum on the subdomain, so I might have to just use that one instead. But yeah, this is generally very, very fast. It normally doesn't take 3 to 4 minutes. But yeah, so WKSRV actually offers one-click app installer called Softaculous, and it allows you to install many different one-click apps, and yeah, which is extremely useful if you ask me. With the click of a button, I can install new software on my hosting package with WKSRV. Alright, so now we have it successfully installed. You're going to want to point your DNS records at serverbob.wksrv.net, and then the forum should resolve. I've already done that in a previous step. I personally use Cloudflare, so it's rather simple. And yeah, as you can see here, the forum was just created. So it's rather easy, as you can tell. And yeah, if you need any help with the DNS, setting up DNS and stuff like that, feel free to check out my Discord in the description, and I can be able to help you with that. And yeah, I highly recommend using WKSRV. Great platform, great people, and yeah, if you have any concerns, questions, suggestions, drop in the Discord or leave a comment on the video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe. Okay, and one thing I forgot to do is show you how to get a free SSL certificate for your forum, which I said I would do. So what you're going to want to do is go back to the main cPanel site, type in SSL, go to SSL TLS status, and then locate your domain that you want to give SSL to. You just click it, and then all you do is just click Run Auto SSL, and then bada bing, bada boom, your site will have a free SSL certificate. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3, and yeah, that's about it. See ya.